Today we will be testing a market structure indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a market structure indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 557 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex Indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a market structure indicator. And so the source video says free price action smart money tool. And so the source video title is pretty straightforward. This is a price action. You could consider it a smart money tool, and it is free. And so no wild claims made there. Now, of course, we'll put this indicator to the test and see what we can get out of it. The indicator that we have on screen is called the Market Shift Levels indicator, and it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And so as the indicator's name implies, the indicator basically shows when there is a market structure shift, and it will show those market structure shifts by these dashed lines. Now, to add a little bit more kind of confluence to the indicator, what they have done is they print these dashed lines, and when price pulls back into these dashed lines and respects them in the specific direction, uptrend or downtrend, and price then closes the candle in respect, it will then give you a kind of green diamond with a number like this here. And so we're looking for a long trade setup. So we're looking for when price gives us a green diamond and green number like this here. And that's the only requirement for a long trade. So what we'll do is set our trade right here. Now the number and diamond appears one bar into the future. And so the bar that the number and diamond is under is one bar into the future that needs to close before that appears. But we'll still set our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we make this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit rather quickly. And for a short trade setup, what we are looking for, so we're looking for when the indicator gives us a red diamond and red number like this here. And again, one bar into the future, but that will be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right above the pivot area right here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And once again, you can see this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 40% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $12,000. That would have put your total profit and loss at break even, $0, not including any spreads or commissions. And so most likely probably down a decent little amount. And so, as far as a smart money tool, yeah, I guess you could consider it a smart money tool. Was it horrible? No, break even's not horrible. I definitely think maybe paired with a few other indicators, this indicator could do really well. It's a nice change, a little bit of an adaptation of the normal kind of change of character, market structure shift type indicators. And so I think it's definitely worth playing around with. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 41 trades with the Academy of Forex indicator. We had right at an 80% win rate and a total gain right at $19,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.